making Magnolia Bakery's banana pudding. It is so good, so heavenly. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend if you can eat it. Anyways, I'm making this because I'm going to my neighbor's house tomorrow for drinks, and I like to make the banana pudding a day before so that the wafer cookies have time to soak in all the delicious pudding mixture. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, the steam came off. Oh, okay, wow, all right. For this, I use instant pudding mix just so that it sets faster. Stiff peak. Next, I'm gonna fold in the set pudding mix. Oh my gosh. I tried this recipe with chestnut cookies, but honestly, I kind of like it better with the wafer cookies. And that is it. I'm just gonna store this in the refrigerator overnight, and yeah. I saved a few cookies so I can crush them and then add them to the top when ready to be served. It almost tastes like as if a soft pretzel was in a milk bread dinner roll form. But it's a little dry, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna try it with strawberry preserve. Maybe that'll do better. It's my favorite one. Cheers! So good. It's buttery, it's sweet, it's salty. It's really good. So it's about 8 o'clock. I bought these bulbs of garlic because I ran out of minced garlic, and I like to mince them myself at home. I find them a lot cheaper, and I rather just do the manual work myself. I also like to peel garlic. I used to do this growing up with my grandmother. We used to do this together, and I love it when my hand smells like garlic because it reminds me of my grandmother. So I usually just trim off both ends for easier peel. And I just add it into my bowl of garlic cloves. I finished peeling the garlic cloves and I rinsed them, dried them, and I'm gonna mince them tomorrow because it's late and I'm tired. So today I'm gonna make 깻잎무침 or marinated spicy perilla leaves. It's a really tasty banchan or Korean side dish. And I would say it's really simple to make. And I lay it down vertically so that the water can drip. It's a tip that I learned from my sister. Next, I'm gonna make 오징어채 무침 or Korean spicy dried squid banchan. I think that's what it's called. And quite frankly, I'm using about the same ingredients as I used to make 깻잎무침. So soy sauce, minced garlic, roasted sesame seeds, don't need onions, gochujang, sugar, rice or corn syrup, and mayo, and obviously dried squid. So I'm making all this banchan now because I'm gonna start filming. Ooh. I think starting this Saturday, so I really won't have time to make anything else because once I start filming, I I don't really cook anything more outside of what I'm recording because I'm tired, all right? I'm tired after filming. Honestly, like if you are a seafood lover, I recommend trying it. So I have a bowl of rice with fried eggs on top, 오징어채 무침, perilla leaves, and then these are soy braised beans that I really love. I'm just gonna eat this like a wrap, or 쌈. Ooh, my egg fell. The 오징어채 무침, honestly, this is so good. It's very spicy and sweet, kind of like tteokbokki. Wrap it all up. Enjoy. It's so good. So a few months ago, I got Buttermilk Kitchen Cookbook. It's one of my favorite places to eat in Atlanta, but I haven't made anything from this book. But today is a different day. I'm gonna make their red pepper jelly, which is one of my favorite things to eat with like cornbread, biscuit. It's so good. It's, you know, obviously spicy, but it's also very sweet. And yeah, I'm gonna attempt to make it today. But first, coffee. First it says to pulse drained, what is this? Diced tomatoes. That should have been pureed. Pour it into a saucepan. Red pepper flakes, kosher salt, apple cider vinegar, butter, sugar, like 6 cups of this. And it says, once mixture has reached a full boil, slowly mix in pectin. All right. It doesn't say to mix, but I assume you mix everything together. Add in the pectin. I have these mason jars that I already sanitized. So I want to eat the red pepper jelly with cornbread, and this is my favorite one. It's definitely sweet and buttery, and I love Dolly. I didn't have regular milk, so I'm using almond milk. Hopefully this works. I'm adding sharp cheddar shredded cheese just because I have a little bit left and I need to use it all up. So why not with cornbread? Melted butter. What would Dolly do? Dolly would use her spatula to make this. The jelly is yet to be set, but I'm very impatient and I just want to try the combo. I'm just gonna drizzle it all over the top. I don't know if I like the jelly. It kind of tastes like there's Splenda in it. I don't know if because I used basically the wrong pectin or something, but I don't know. Maybe it'll taste different after it's been cold. It's not bad, but it's not like... For dinner, I'm just gonna have turkey, tomato, cheese sandwich. I don't know, just feel like eating this today. I thought about toasting bread, but I'm too hungry. Got some turkey on top and then slices of tomatoes. And I like to sprinkle on Italian seasoning for just a little bit more flavor. American slice. And I do eat the end pieces of the bread because it's still good. Some people think because I'm a food content creator, I eat these like amazing lavish dinners and meals every day. The truth is, I like very simple food like this, and I don't always eat lavishly. I eat very simply.